So, have you thought of a good training partner?
I can't really think of anyone right now.
Not a problem. If someone happens to come to mind, just let... So, have you thought of a good training partner?
Yes, I'm ready. The strong person I'd like to fight is... him. Wow! It's Gohan! It's really him!
Now then, Trunks, try to remember how this person fought, and spar with him.
Sure, I'll see what I can do. Incredible! He's just as powerful as he was when I saw him fight back then. This is it! Take this! All right, I'm starting to get the hang of this. Take this! Time to show Gohan how much better I've gotten. Walk it away! I've gotten a lot better. What? Take this! I did it. Thanks for the help, Gohan.
It seems your training session was much more productive than when you fought me. Kibito and I weren't able to draw out any of the power you just displayed.
Oh, no problem. You were a big help, Supreme Kai. I wouldn't have been able to spar with Gohan like that if it wasn't for you.
This Gohan you imagined, he appeared to be a child. What sort of person was he exactly?
In this world, he was my master. But in another world, he was the one who saved Earth. Unfortunately, the Gohan in this world has long since passed away. If it weren't for him, I wouldn't be here, and our world would still be in turmoil. I want to be strong like him. In fact, I need to be even stronger than he was.
I see. While it is certainly a shame that Gohan can't be here with us, I'm grateful we have you as this world's next savior. We know the entire universe are counting on you. You're our last hope.
Last hope? What a strange coincidence. Gohan actually said the same thing to me before he died.
Oh, it's no coincidence. Gohan was right to place his faith in you, and I will do the same, Trunks. Well done, Trunks. It seems you've truly mastered your technique with the Z-Sword.
Thanks to you, Supreme Kai. I wouldn't have been able to make this much progress on my own. Seriously. If I'm being honest, though, I feel like I've really only gotten an arm workout out of this.
To think that the first to properly wield the Z-Sword would be nothing more than a simple mortal. How strange.
Now then, Trunks, let's finish up your training. This here is Kachin, said to be the hardest metal in the universe. Go ahead and try to slice it with the Z-Sword.
You got it. Okay, throw it when you're ready.
Supreme Kai, It's Babidi. It has started. He's begun to make a move on Earth.
What?
The time has finally come.
Let's make our way back to Earth, Trunks. As long as you have the Z-Sword, you should be able to stop Majin Buu's revival.
Right. Could you give me my old clothes back before we leave?
Well, I think you look quite nice in those, but very well. Kibito, if you would.
As you wish, Supreme Kai.
Thank you very much. I feel more like myself in these clothes.
Now then, to Earth. Kai Kai!
This energy. What is this evil energy?
This power, it's unbelievable.
Is this Majin Buu's energy?
No, Majin Buu hasn't been released yet. This energy most likely belongs to Babidi and his minions. But it's only a matter of time before they release Majin Buu. We have to stop them before they can do that.
I've never felt energy this wicked. We have to stop Babidi and his minions. Sense a great evil energy. This is nothing like when I fought the androids.
Those. No, neither of them are Babidi.
Company. There is absolutely no way we're letting you get past the two of us.
Be on your guard. Both of them are under the control of Babidi's mind magic.
What?
Supreme Kai, that creature, is that?
The demon beast Yakon. I can't believe Babidi has that kind of creature on his side.
Demon Beast Yakon?
That's right. He's an unbelievably powerful creature, feared the universe over. As I mentioned before, Babidi uses his magic to control and assemble strong fighters. They're very dangerous.
Okay, understood. Don't worry, Supreme Kai. I'll take care of them on my own. With the training I've received from you, as well as the power of the Z-Sword, I should be able to defeat them.
Trunks, wait!
If I can't manage to take care of these two, I can't expect to survive the fight ahead. Oh, and also, I'm itching to put all of that training to the test.
Supreme Kai.
I understand. We'll place our trust in you, Trunks.
Look at this. You want to take us on all by your lonesome? We're Lord Babidi's elite, you know. You're in real trouble now.
I'll cut you to pieces.
Let's do this! First, I'm going to defeat you two, and then I'm gonna take out Babidi.
What an idiot! He actually thinks he's going to beat us!
I'll crush you and devour you.
Bad just now.
It'll be a lot less painful if you just surrender. You're both going down!
Besides, Lord Babidi's going to deem us useless! Take this!
You should surrender and allow me to feast on you. What the hell? How is he faster than me?
Until people fear you. I can't imagine why. Hunt! 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 I did it! Now on to Babidi. What? What's so funny?
You idiot. As we speak, Lord Babbity's already reviving Majin Buu.
What do you mean?
You're done for.
What?
Supreme Kai, I can sense a wicked energy in another location. How did we not notice it before?
These two, they increased their own evil energy to distract us.
No, they intended to stall us and we fell right into their trap. Be that as it may, I don't sense Majin Buu's energy, so we still have time. Let's get going.
The wicked energy is coming from over there. Hurry, Trunks.
This is bad. I can't believe they were just a diversion. I hope we make it. We have to. Damn that Bobbity, where is he? What a strange energy. Is it him?
So you finally found me.
Bobbity.
Wait, that small creature's the wizard Bobbity? Then who's the larger guy with him?
Dabura, what is the king of the demon realm doing here?
The worms all seem to have gathered.
Dabura, this guy, he feels way stronger than Perfect Cell.
My apologies, Trunks. I wasn't aware Bobbity ensnared such a powerful foe.
We should be okay for now. Majin Buu hasn't been released yet. There is still hope left.
Indeed, I seem to require just a bit more energy to bring Boo into this world. No matter, though, I will be gathering that energy now.
Not if I have anything to say about it.
Oh my. Well, I suspected you would try to stop me. Dabura, what should we do about these pests?
I can think of no better way to celebrate Majin Buu's revival than to destroy them gloriously with my demonic power.
Lovely! Have at it then, and make it extra flashy.
Yes, my lord.
I'll store the energy produced from the damage you take from Dabura to help revive Majin Buu. And it's only a matter of time before I have enough to release him. At full power!
This is not good. If we take too much damage, we'll only further contribute to Majin Buu's revival.
Then that means we just need to take this guy out fast and prevent Bobbity from gathering enough energy.
I suppose that's true, but...
We have no other choice if we want to stop Majin Buu from being released.
I'm worried Dabura might be a bit more than you can handle. I'll assist you as best I can.
Supreme Kai, if you will fight, then so will I.
Capito, it might be better if you stood by for now.
Yes, Supreme Kai, as you command.
Ready for this, Trunks?
Yes.
Do you honestly think you can win?
You're nothing but fools. I'll eradicate you in an instant.
Slaughter them, Dabura.
Yes.
His energy is overwhelming, but I can't let it intimidate me. I have to do this. For Earth. I don't care you're the king of some evil world. I'm going to stop you.
Dabura is far more dangerous! Watch yourself!
You possess a respectable amount of strength to push me this far.
I have to stop you. Is Boo still sealed in his orb?
I've been gathering energy for 10 years. I won't let that time go to waste.
Even King's power than this, I cannot allow Lord Bobbity to wait any longer to realize his plan. The time for games may soon have to end.
Be gone! Be gone!
You're finished!
Trunks, drop the sword! It's going to turn to stone!
No! Not the Z-Sword! The Supreme Kai and his fools are done for!
Hooray! Hooray! Majin Buu is as good as revived!
I won't allow that to happen! Even if it costs me my life!
Dabura!
Supreme Kai!
No! You of all people must not die! Oh!
Kibito!
You'll meet your friend in death soon enough.
Trunks! Trunks! You have to do this! You're... this world's last hope! Only you can do this. You're this world's next savior.
If anyone's gonna bring peace, it's you. You're our last hope.
I've had enough of you two.
What is happening right now?
You.
The peace we finally obtained. I won't let you take that away from us! You two are gonna pay!
There's something different about it. What is this?
The Supreme Kai, Kibito, they didn't deserve this!
Nobody does this to me. I am the king of the demon realm.
This is for what you did to Kibito! What?
I'll cut you to pieces. It is far from over. You're mine. Die.
What?
Be gone.
What's this?
This is the end.
And this is for the Supreme Kai!
Where are you getting this power?
Dabura, do not fail me! Majin Buu's revival.
You pest! What? I can't move!
Trunks! Now's your chance to finish him!
Leave our world the hell alone!
Impossible! I was going to rule this world!
You did it. The world is safe again.
Supreme Kai! No! Supreme Kai!
And so the fight ended. Though he had lost the Supreme Kai and Kibito, Trunks could finally breathe a sigh of relief. Earth was at peace once more. No more would androids, Cell, or the fear of Majin Buu threaten the people of the planet. Towns and cities would prosper, and people would carry smiles on their faces, unaware of the sacrifices made by the warriors who fought to defend their lives. But such knowledge is not their burden to bear. Trunks will ensure it never will be as he continues to fight for peace.
Supreme Kai, Kibito, thank you for everything. Gohan, I promise to do everything in my power to protect this world.
Hope's last defender remains ever vigilant.
At long last, my home's back to normal.